Hello everyone, it's Gabriella from Victoire, and today I wanted to show you how I do my braided scarf updo, which is inspired by Frida Kahlo. Now, while I don't know how Frida actually styled her hair, this is what I could extrapolate from looking at her artwork, and it's what works for my hair type. I have found this to be such a great, easy summer style. It keeps my hair off of my neck, and it's also really good at hiding some greasy roots, so I do hope you give it a try. For this hairstyle, you will need a brush, fine-tooth comb, hair elastics, hairpins, a thin scarf or scrap of fabric, and optionally, flowers. Start by creating a center part and continuing the center part down the back of your head. Now that we have our hair divided in half, grab one half of the hair and brush it carefully upwards. We're going to be creating high pigtails, so we want the hair brushed smoothly up our head. Then, tie off the pigtail with a hair elastic. And repeat on the other half of your hair, brushing the hair smoothly upwards and then tying it off in a hair elastic. Find the halfway point on your scarf and then lay your scarf evenly on your head, centering it over your center part. On the left side of your head, lay the scarf behind the pigtail, and on the right side of your head, lay the scarf in front of the pigtail. Take the scarf on the left side of your head, cross it underneath the pigtail, bring it across your center part, and place it behind the pigtail on the right side of your head. Then on the right side of your head, bring the scarf underneath the pigtail, across your center part, and behind the pigtail on the left side. Divide the pigtail in half and work a 3-strand braid, incorporating the scarf into the braid. Finish off the end of the braid with an elastic. And repeat on the other side, splitting the pigtail in half and working a 3-strand braid with the scarf. Crisscross the braids behind your head. If the ends of your hair are sticking out a bit, try to wrap the ends of your scarf around the ends of your hair. Then, bring the ends of the braids up over your head and firmly tie them across your center part. If your scarf has a lot of fringe like mine, it may be easier to twist the ends of your scarf before tying. Feel free to use some hairpins to tuck in the edges of the fringe if you prefer. You can also use hairpins to help secure the braid to your head if it feels like it's going to slide off. Your scarf braids will look lovely just as they are, but feel free to add some fake or fresh flowers to add some extra color and dimension. You could also use the flowers to hide where the scarf has been knotted. Lastly, I chose to finish off my look with one of my favorite shawls, a linen blouse, and some vintage jewelry. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and please leave a comment on who is your favorite hairstyle icon. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.